Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you about this remote receiver and light. It's like a light system. So then let me demonstrate how does this work. If you see over here and if you see over here, there will be, if I turn the if I do the up triangle, then it will give a sign. Then if I turn it off, it will give another sign. Then if I key so let me show you what I have used for 2 days. So then I have used when Arduino begins, then IR receiver pin 22, which is over here, somewhere here. Then serial 0 began graduate 9600. Then I have used the forever. Then I have used if sensor connect, then serial 0 print receive value warp. If up button press, then LED on pin 46. That which is the light over here. The light over here is over there 46 pin. Is there. Then if down button press, then LED will off. Then IR will resume. Continue. Thank you for watching my video and please subscribe and like this video.